So originally, WSL was distributed with the Windows image itself. The WSL command was pre-installed, and then you could turn on an optional feature to use it. And then over time, Microsoft switched to using the Microsoft Store to distribute WSL. And thus, if you have an older install of WSL and you want to get upgraded to a newer version, you're going to have to make the migration to the Store version. And that's what I'll show you how to do in this video. So the first thing we need to do is confirm that we're using the inbox version before we try to upgrade. So if you run the WSL version command and you get back a failure, you might be led to believe that you need to install WSL. But when you do that, you're greeted with a list of distributions that you can install and/or create. So this indicates that you already have WSL installed, but that it's an older version, one of the versions that came bundled with Windows. So one thing you could do to confirm this before proceeding is to take a look at the status command. And as is suggested here, I'm using Windows Update to update WSL. So that's the inbox version of WSL. One more thing you could do to confirm this is to look in the store. You can search for WSL. And if you get back a card here that says this is not yet installed, that's another confirmation that the store version is not installed. So now, if I want to switch to the store version, the easiest thing to do is to use the update command. And then when I run this, it's going to look a lot like the WSL --install command in terms of the output. In fact, I kind of wish that instead of --install, if you're a first-time user, or --update if you already have it installed, I wish that those two were just merged into one, maybe a migrate command or a switch command. All right, once that's complete, I can grab the status again. No mention of Windows Update. And then if I run the version command again, now I get version information back. For example, I'm using WSL version 2.0.4, which is definitely one of the newest versions of WSL. So now updates will come via the store, and there's nothing else you'll have to do to update. And the good news is, because I had WSL installed already, I didn't lose any of my distributions. Everything's still there. So now I'm good to go.